passionate in this course. I love to travel with my friends and especially with my family. I love to experience the different ambience of the places. And also I love to dance. When I was in high school days, I enjoyed dancing, and in my senior high school, I joined dance competition in our school called Pistakasan. My biggest weakness in my life is I am lacking confidence. I tend to be nervous when I am the one who need to start the conversations with other people. But I learned that I should overcome this weakness by practicing my communication skills with my friends, families, and the people around me. I am also not confident with myself because I am a shy person and I don't believe in myself. But because of my dream, I believe in myself and I can do it and have a confidence. First, my strength is my character. My character is the one who made me who I am today. My character makes me strong and not to give up in my life. Second is my attitude. Many people love me for who I am. Respecting other people is like respecting yourself. 5 years from now, I know that my talent will take me to my job in the airline industry. I am working hard to maintain my job and I am enjoying what I am doing. I am serving other people. I am assuring that they are safe from takeoff to landing, giving them what they need during the flight, and also doing good and excellent job in your company. Customer service is where you are serving your customer a good experience and you achieve their expectation in your service. It is important because having internship is preparing you to your future job. It helps you to gain knowledge and experiences. I expect that I am the right person who are fit in this job. I expect that the other employees are welcoming and we can all work in the positive energy in our body. What I can contribute to the company is my experiences and knowledge that I gained while studying.